Really easy recipe.
Zucchini, good. Olive oil, good. Cheese, good. Hi, everyone.
Hi, everybody.
Today we're gonna make Giancarlo's favorite thing ever.
Fried zucchini on pasta, but this time we're gonna use the fried zucchini to make a
the
sauce. Usually we do a red sauce and then the fried zucchini go on
zucchini.
top.
Yes.
But
Today we're doing something
we
different.
had some TikTok inspiration and we found that people make a sauce with it. And one of the things about zucchini is in our hometown where my family comes from, the farm that our family still grows, they grow a lot of zucchini and eggplant, which I think is why we cook so much zucchini. First thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut this up into circles, fried in olive oil, and then afterwards we'll make a sauce while the pasta is boiling.
Quick, easy,
Easy.
and delicious.
Most important thing is you gotta cut them a little thicker when you're frying them, because if you don't, they'll get too thin and they'll fall apart.
But not too thick that they're not gonna cook through.
Why you always gotta correct me, huh? How much zucchini do you think we need?
I think 2 is good.
It's a lot of zucchini. Okay, you gonna fry? The oil is on. I'm excited for this one. This one's different. Think that's enough?
We can add a couple more.
A couple more, because we only need like a little bit to go on top. When it comes out, you gotta put it in a bowl so that the juice from it
Comes out.
comes out. Let's make magic happen. We are going to put the zucchini inside.
Oh, there's some good juice in there.
There's juice in there. We want the zucchini juice. And a little bit of parsley.
How much is a little?
More than that. Garlic will go in now too. 1 garlic is enough. We're gonna add the juice in the second round. Put a little cheese. A little more. Okay, just a little more. What do you think? A little more olive oil? It's a little thick. That's good. That's ready to go. We're gonna put this in here.
Do you need a spoon?
I don't think so. Yeah, we definitely need some pasta water. Fusilli lunghi.
I think it's perfect for this.
I think you're right, honey.
So we're getting the wet pasta. We're not gonna drain it because the pasta water is gonna help
Loosen
thin
the
out the
sauce.
sauce a bit. We're getting messy.
We made a mess on this oven, but that's good. Plating time. Mmm. Looks so good. And then a heaping mound of cheese. Don't be shy, honey.
Oh, look how good that looks.
What do we think? Think we did good? Yeah, that's like a big portion. That's good. Look at us being chef-like. Talking to my food. You ready?
Get a piece of zucchini in there.
Sure. Okay. Buon appetito. I really like that.
That's a really good recipe.
That's really good. The fried zucchini is good, right?
So good.
I know. Okay, we like it. We approve. You should make it.